What's going on, Rally fam? Welcome back to the channel for another video. My name is Ty, and today we are putting on our livery kits. If you're watching this video, you've probably never done this, or even if you've done it a million times, it's pretty easy to mess these up. I really want to show you guys how this is done. Also, if you watch my rally checklist video, know that you want to get this thing on as soon as possible. Set it and forget it. It's not going to fly off once it's on there, but we definitely don't want to be applying these right at the launch. First thing you're gonna wanna do is wash your car. My car is pretty clean, but not super clean. So I'm actually gonna use hybrid detail spray. You can use any kind of detail spray. You can use rubbing alcohol, anything of that nature, but you're gonna wanna make sure that your surfaces where you're putting your stickers are very, very clean. If you have a ceramic coating on your car already, these will stick. Just know you'll have to be patient because this top sheet is gonna wanna bring all of your stickers with it. So you're gonna have to really press that on there when you go to apply them. It will work, it'll just take a little bit longer. Now that your surfaces are all clean, you're gonna wanna take something like an X-Acto blade, scissors, a sharp pocket knife, and cut around each of your stickers. That way they're all blocked out and you have a set for your driver's side and a set laid out for your passenger side. Pile one, pile two. Your cuts don't have to be accurate. All you gotta do is line up the words. So what I like to do is put some tape on the top. That way I can stick this where I think it might go. Your very technical applicator can be any kind of credit card. This is a ski pass because you don't want my $4 that I have in my bank account. You can put it down with your hands first, which is what I typically do. Peel this up. Okay, so starting from one edge, I'm gonna work my way across and work in the middle and down. Using some good pressure on there. Now as long as you're pulling with this edge at an angle like this, you're not gonna hurt anything, it'll be fine. You can also push a little bit and go over it with your hand really good. Now you get to do the reveal. My kit is a custom color, so the normal kits are black and silver. This is a blue diamond. You wanna try to pull this at a nice angle. That way nothing comes off with it. So that's one done, right there. Nice and smooth. That's how you do the big ones. All of these guys will be a similar process of how you actually apply it. You don't have to tape the edge. You can just peel the entire sticker at once and just slap it down and then go from one edge to the other. Just like we did that one all the way across. Be good to go. Now for this delightful guy here. First thing you want to do is take your knife and cut this entire speedometer off. So just like that, we have two pieces here. And then on this guy, we're gonna make a cut right here and one cut down here. We're gonna cut out the center section of the R. Like so. So I've got flap here, and that's cut out. This relieves any of the tension, so when you go to lay these pieces, it's not gonna bunch up and give you a bunch of wrinkles. Go slow to make sure that all of your vinyl is coming off with the top sheet. Fold this guy right underneath, slick these top pieces right down. And for this one, I mainly just like to use my hands because there is a lot of curves under here and I don't want to put too much pressure down and cause big kinks. Slowly pull back a little bit more. Now when you get to a body line, don't try to just bridge the gap. You're gonna want to pull enough down and then let the material wrap into whatever that gap is. So now you can pull one individual leg at a time. Since they're not stuck together, Now I'll just peel this under sheet while I slick the top down. Do one of these. Carefully start peeling. Everything's applied. Now I'll come in with my knife. Tuck these edges. Ta-da! It's all done. Beautiful, beautiful looking. This color is actually super sick in the sun. When you're doing these, if you have 2 people, 4 sets of hands, well, 4 hands, 2 sets of hands, works a lot better. Someone can manage the bottom pieces while someone squeegees the top. It works out a lot easier. I've just done like a zillion of these, so it's pretty straightforward for me to do them on my own. All right, guys, now that you've got your kits on, you are ready for launch. Make sure you watch my Ultimate Rally Checklist video. I'll put the little link up here if you haven't seen that yet. You might be forgetting something important. Well, it's almost rally time, so you better hit that subscribe button. We got videos coming out all the time, tips and tricks, different stuff happening in the car world. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also like this video, and I'll see you guys on the rally next week. I'm stoked to get it going on the road. Let's do this. Let's drive, party, repeat. See you next video.